Hello, little souls. I'm Leo, the lion cub, and I'm thrilled to be here today to share an incredible story with you. Get ready for the exciting adventure of Leo's Rainforest Adventure. But before we leap into this thrilling journey, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, now is the perfect time. Hit that subscribe button and join our growing family to stay updated with more fantastic stories like this one. Are you excited? Let us dive into the wild and wonderful world of Leo's Rainforest Adventure together. Let us go! In the heart of the lush and vibrant Amazon rainforest, there lived a courageous lion cub named Leo. Unlike other lions, Leo had a shimmering golden coat with unique patterns that resembled the intricate designs of the rainforest leaves. His curious nature and adventurous spirit made him stand out among his fellow jungle inhabitants. One sunny morning, Leo woke up with a burst of energy, feeling a sense of excitement in the air. As he stretched and yawned, he noticed a peculiar sound echoing through the rainforest, the rhythmic drumming of raindrops on the leaves. Leo's eyes widened with wonder. It was the first rain of the season. Without hesitation, Leo decided it was the perfect day for a rainforest adventure. He bounded through the undergrowth, his golden fur glistening in the soft rain. Along the way, he encountered a chatty parrot named Polly who perched on a branch above. "Where are you off to, Leo?" Polly asked, her colorful feathers shaking off the raindrops. Leo explained his plan to explore the rainforest and make new friends. Intrigued by the idea, Polly decided to join him, guiding Leo through the treetops with her lively chatter. As Leo ventured deeper into the rainforest, he encountered a shy sloth named Sammy hanging from a branch. Leo greeted him warmly, and with Polly's encouragement, Sammy mustered the courage to come down and join the adventure. The trio continued their journey, discovering the magical wonders of the rainforest. They swung from vines, slid down slippery leaves, and even had a friendly race with a group of playful monkeys. Leo, Polly, and Sammy laughed together, their friendship growing with each passing moment. As the rainforest echoed with the sounds of nature, Leo and his new friend stumbled upon a clearing where a group of animals was gathered for a special event, a rainforest carnival. Brightly colored feathers adorned the animals, and the air was filled with the sweet scent of tropical flowers. Leo, Polly, and Sammy were welcomed with open arms. They danced to the rhythm of the jungle drums, tasted exotic fruits, and participated in a friendly tug-of-war with a group of mischievous capybaras. The carnival was a celebration of diversity, and Leo felt grateful for the unique friendships he had found in the heart of the rainforest. As the day drew to a close, Leo, Polly and Sammy gathered near a sparkling waterfall, reflecting on their incredible adventure. Leo realized that the rainforest was not just a place of beauty but a home to a diverse family of creatures, each with its own special qualities. With newfound wisdom and a heart full of gratitude, Leo returned to his cozy den in the rainforest, knowing that he had made lifelong friends and experienced the true magic of the Amazon. And so, under the twinkling stars and the gentle hum of the rainforest night, Leo drifted into a peaceful slumber, dreaming of the next exciting adventure that awaited him in the enchanting rainforest.